Hello, today you will learn about
Bonjour. Today we are going to learn about the weather and seasons in French.
Les temps et les saisons.
The word
Temps.
means weather, it also means time. Let's start. What is the weather like?
Quel temps fait il?
There are different ways of saying the weather, like any other languages, but we will see a few. It is sunny.
Il fait beau.
You could also say, it is sunny.
Il y a du soleil. Il y a
Means there is or there are, and
soleil.
means sun in French. There are some sun or there is some sun. That is the literal translation.
Il y a du soleil.
Means it is sunny and also.
Il fait beau.
Here's another one. It is hot.
Il fait chaud. Chaud.
Means hot. When we talk about whether it is
Il fait. Faire.
is used in two ways. It is used to describe it does and it makes as well. Now, let's look at other example. It is cold.
Il fait froid.
It is raining. Is.
Il pleut.
Let's look at other example. It is foggy.
Il y a du brouillard.
It is cloudy.
Il y a des nuages.
Or you can also say,
C'est nuageux.
it is windy.
Il fait du vent.
It is snowing.
Il neige.
Now, let's look at the seasons. We are going to study the 4 seasons in French.
Les 4 saisons.
The spring means.
Le printemps.
The summer means.
L'été.
The autumn or fall means.
L'automne.
The winter means.
L'hiver.
Do not pronounce the H, we pronounce the I.
Hiver.
Let's look at an example. It's sunny and it's summer.
Il fait beau et c'est l'été.
Now, let's have a quick recap.
Quel temps fait il? Il fait beau.
It is sunny.
Il fait froid.
It is cold.
Il pleut.
It is raining.
Il y a du brouillard.
It is foggy.
Il y a des nuages.
It is cloudy.
Il fait du vent.
It is windy.
Il neige.
It is snowing. The seasons.
Les saisons. Le printemps.
The spring.
L'été.
The summer.
L'automne.
The autumn or fall.
L'hiver.
The winter. That's it for today's lesson. Hope this video was helpful.
Au revoir et à bientôt.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for next video.